Hello, my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, My Daily Routine. So, let's start. My day starts very early in the morning. I wake up at 5 o'clock. I used to wake up very late, but when I heard about the health benefits of early rising, I started to get up early. Then I brush my teeth and go for a small morning walk. I enjoy the walk very much because it helps to feel good in the early morning. Sometimes I do some basic exercises too. Then I take a shower and eat my breakfast. Then I prepare my school tasks. I love to study math and science in the morning time because I can give better concentration on that period. I get ready for my school at 8 o'clock and my mom drops me there at 8:30 o'clock. I spend most of the time on my day at the school. I eat my lunch there in the school break time. Break time. I, I come back from the school at 3 p.m. and then I take a rest for 30 minutes. I love to play cricket in the afternoon. My evening and night routine. When I get back home after the playing in the field, I feel very tired and then I wash and take rest for 30 minutes. I eat some sandwiches or something else that my mom prepares for me. I start to study at 6:30 p.m. in the evening. Most of the day I keep reading till 9:30. That's the most important part for my study. I prepare all my homework and do some extra studies too. And then I eat my dinner and watch television before sleep. Television. Conclusion. That's all about my daily routine. I love to follow this routine and I am very serious about it. I think it's perfect for me. You can follow my routine too. Thank you so much.